we will see what is a subtended angle. So in a circle, we have an arc PQ and the center point is O. Then the angle subtended by the arc on the center is called the subtended angle. So this angle POQ is a subtended angle. Subtended angle. And this will always be a unique angle for a given arc. So in this case, we are saying an arc PQ. So the subtended angle by arc PQ is EOQ. PQ could also subtend an angle on any point for the remaining part of the circle. So the remaining part of the circle means these points, or in other words, the circumference, the remaining part of the circumference. So we can have another angle which is like this. So suppose this is point A, then this is angle. So we have two types of subtended angle. This is a subtended angle at the center. At the center. Subtended angle at the center. Subtended angle at the center. And then the other angle is subtended angle. Subtended angle. Angle at a point remaining after the remaining from the arc. So the subtended angle at the center is angle POQ, and the subtended angle at the remaining part of the circle is PAQ. And this angle, the subtended angle at the remaining part of the arc, they are infinite angles, because this point could be infinite points. There are infinite points on the remaining part of the circle other than arc PQ. So there could be at this point, there could be at this point, there could be at this point. So for example, at B, if we draw at B, then it will be like this. At C, it will be like this. So this angle, and also this angle. So we can see this is also subtended angle, this is also subtended angle, this is also subtended. So subtended angle at the center will be one and only one, and it will be a unique angle. Whereas the subtended angle at the remaining part of the circle, there will be infinite points, and hence there will be infinite angles. But later we will see in another theorem that all these angles are equal. So all these angles are also equal. So all the subtended angles at the remaining part, although could be infinite angles, but all these angles are equal to each other. Now if we extend the same logic for the chord, so we could have a chord PQ, and we will have almost the similar situation, that we have a subtended angle at the center as well as the subtended angle at the remaining part. The only difference is that we have to see whether we are talking of the subtended angle in the major segment or in the minor segment. So if we look at another circle, I don't I will not remove this circle, but I will draw another circle so that you don't get confused. So here is another circle. So if we say this, and this is one angle which is at the center, and then there is another angle which is here, and then there could be another angle which is at the minor arc. So this is P2, this is subtended angle at the center, and this is subtended angle in major segment, and this is the subtended angle in the minor segment. So, and these two angles will not be equal. The angle in the major segment will not be equal to the angle in the minor segment. So this is something which should be remembered, that the angle in the minor segment will not be equal to the major segment, but all the angle in the major segment will be equal to each other, and all the angle in the minor segment will also be equal